In this episode, we learn to design a business flyer for post on social media. So if it's your first time, please subscribe and turn on notification to get another tutorial. And if you have questions, let me know in the comment. And now let's get started to the video. Okay, today I have 4 important in design. They are picture, main text, subtext, contact and location. Okay, for design, the first step we have to do is create a new document. For create a new document, we go to File, choose New. And for another step, you just Ctrl N. Okay, it is the same. This is the full style that you can see anymore in the photo print, something like that. But if you want to make by your own style, please take a look here. Around here is preset detail. For top one is the title of document. Adjust example and you can put what you want. For here I change to centimeters. Width I put 21. Height I put 27. Resolution I put 300 pixel inch. Color mode RGB 8-bit. Background content I choose white. Okay, and color profile I choose sRGB. Pixel aspect ratio 12 pixel and create. And now we have a new document. Before design, we save document first. For save the document, we go to File, choose Save As. Okay, and choose the place you want to save. After that, just click Save. Okay. After that, I want to add guide layout on the corner. So I just go to View, choose Guide, and choose New Guide Layout. And take on margin. All of it I put 70 and OK. And next step, I add a rectangle over here. So for add a rectangle, I use rectangle tool. Stroke I choose none, and fill I choose this color, and we can customize it later. Okay, and draw it. After that, I use a direct selection tool, this one, and I click on this corner, double click and drag it. I want to make it 2, so I just Ctrl J to make copy. And I want to change color of below rectangle. For change color, just double click on it and choose the color. Okay. And for above layer, I want to move it to left side, so I click on it and I use arrow key. Okay, we can see. For opacity of below rectangle, I put 80. And for next step, I insert the picture. I go to folder and drop it. And I want to mask around here a little bit. So I add layer mask and I use brush tool. Change to soft brown. Color, make sure it's black. Opacity I put 80. And for next step, I add a rectangle around here. I use rectangle tool. Fill I choose white. Okay. After that, I mask on it. I use gradient tool. For here, I choose classic gradient. I go to basic. draw up. For this area, I add logo. I go to folder and drop it. It is just my example, and I add text over here. I choose text tool, and you can tap or Ctrl V to paste. Okay, I choose like that, and for font, Kill Sand Empty. For next step, I add text over here. I use text tool again, and you can tap or Ctrl V to paste. This is my text, and after that I add a line over here. Okay, and for next step, I add a line over here from here to here. So I use line tool. Hold Shift to make it straight. I put 5 pixels. For next step, I add text. I use text tool. You can tap or Ctrl V to paste. I add more text. And for another side, okay, and I add text and icon already. And for next step, I add a line between it. So I use line tool and draw it. And for next step, I add more rectangle. Okay, and I customize it. Fill I choose blue, and for stroke I choose none. And I use direct selection tool. Double click and drag it. Okay, and I add one more rectangle. Fill I choose black, and stroke I choose none. On this rectangle, I add text. On this one, I add location. Okay, finish. I go to view, choose guard and click canvas guard, and we can see our flyer. And for next step, I want to export it. So for export, go to file, choose export as, click export as JPEG, and choose the place and save. Okay, finish. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have a question, let me know in the comment. See you next video.